Unearth. To discover proof or some other information, especially after careful searching.
How you doing?
Wallace has unearthed the most delightful entertainment to thrill us for hours on end. It's a murder mystery, and we're all suspects.
What do you got? I believe Alex may have unearthed the grade school science project that could be my ticket to the Nobel Prize. Behold. Mac.
Depart. To go away or leave, especially on a journey.
But he's my dad. We always spend the holiday together.
I understand, Poe. I remember the day I departed my family and committed myself entirely to the duties of Kung Fu.
5 minutes. Langa Township departing in 5 minutes.
Coincide. To happen at or near the same time, to be the same or similar.
Now, today is actually a highly unusual day. There's both a full moon tonight and the summer solstice, which only coincide every 100 years or so. So, you
Hey guys, what a coincidence running into you. I'm just gonna order something to go. Sally.
Cancel. To decide that something arranged in advance will not happen.
And stuff out. Maybe have them cook me nice dinner. No scallions. I hate them. Amy, cancel my appointments.
Stop calling me!
On Earth.
Unsustainable. What?
Darn it all, we're gonna have to cancel Operation Recolonize, so...
Debtor. Someone who owes money.
Bid. Dozens of swindling deadbeats, as well as this respected reporter who made an honest mistake, have paid their back taxes, leaving only one outstanding debtor, country music star Lurleen Lumpkin. Seen.
And if he has to, he smacks his debtors a couple of times. Bim, bam, fork over the money. You get the picture?
Hitting clients? That's being credible?
Legible. Able to be read easily.
I'm glad you're okay, honey, but I wish you'd chosen a more tasteful way to be patriotic. I'm impressed you were able to write so legibly on your own butt.
Look what came up. 148 radio. Serial number still legible. One of the radios.
Placard. A large piece of card, paper, etc.
If I fail in my duty, David could come back. I've seen the placards. God save our king.
I had a placard that said, "Stop protests now," and I yelled, "What do we want? No more protests."
Contagious. Spread from one person or organism to another.
I wanted him to meet all of you so he could try to understand Tourette's.
Tourette's is like a cough or a sneeze. It isn't contagious like some people think.
Well, you got a little something in your eye there.
Well, that there's conjunctivitis, sir. It's hereditary.
Oh, well, I'm glad to hear it's not contagious.
Clergy. The official leaders of religious activities in organized religions.
No offense, but
What are you doing here, Father?
Like it or not, you go where your flock is.
Plus, the clergy drinks for free.
True.
With or without the clergy, we're still priests. Customary. Usual, traditional.
It is customary that the challenge be determined by the princess herself.
Archery! Archery!
And after several of what are called grown-up drinks, it is customary for the elders to sleep half naked until 3 o'clock and let you swim in the ocean alone.
Transparent. 1. If a substance or object is transparent, you can see through it very clearly. 2. Clear and easy to understand or recognize.
What is this peculiar liquid? There's no bouquet. It's completely transparent.
Why, it's water!
Not too much hope.
I was in the middle of a case, Mycroft.
What, the hiker and the backfire? I glanced at the police report. A bit obvious, surely.
Transparent.
Time to move on, then.
Scald. To burn the skin with boiling liquid or steam, to put something in boiling water or steam.
Scaldron. Sprays scalding water at its victim. Extremely dangerous. They got scalded!